Hello all, welcome to the day 55 of the daily case study series for CBSE grade 10. The question goes like this. The tradition of pottery making in India is very old. In fact, it is older than the Indus Valley civilization. The shaping and baking of clay articles has continued through the ages. The picture of a potter is shown below. A potter makes a certain number of pottery articles in a day. It was observed on a particular day the cost of production of each article was one more than twice the number of articles produced on that day. Total cost of production on that day was rupees 210. Question 1. Taking the number of articles produced on that day as x, form a quadratic equation. By the question's suggestion, let us assume number of articles produced on a day be x. Cost of production of one article is one more than twice the articles produced on that day. That is, cost of production of one article is 2x plus 1. From this, we can calculate the total cost of production on that day, which is number of articles times per article cost of production, which is x times 2x plus 1, which is equal to 2x square plus x. The cost of production given in the question is rupees 210. 2x square plus x can be equated to 210. That is 2x square plus x minus 210 is equal to 0. This is a quadratic equation representing the situation in x. Question 2. Find the number of articles produced and the cost of each article. This number of articles is represented by x. So we have to factorize this equation. 2x square plus x minus 210 equal to 0. So from this we get a as 2 and b is 1, c is minus 210. Using the quadratic formula, x equal to minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac upon 2a, which is minus 1 plus or minus square root of 1681 upon 4. That is minus 1 plus or minus 41 upon 4. That is x is equal to minus 1 plus 41 upon 4 and x is equal to minus 1 minus 41 upon 4. X is 40 by 4, which is 10. Then for the second value, x is minus 42 upon 4. This is ignored since number of articles cannot be negative. Therefore, number of articles produced is equal to 10. For this, we have to get the cost of production also. Cost of production is 2x plus 1. That is rupees 21. Question number 3. Find the cost of production of 15 articles. Cost of production of one article is rupees 21. Therefore, cost of production of 15 articles is 15 times rupees 21, which gives us rupees 315. Question 4. Find the number of articles made by potter in a day if the total cost of production is 1575. So here the total cost of production is given, which is rupees 1575. When we multiply the number of articles produced by the cost of production of one article, we get the total cost. So n times, that is what we have to figure out. Cost of one article is rupees 21, which is 1575. So n is 1575 upon 21 and n is 75. The number of articles produced by the potter is 75. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel Math with Meenakshi for more smart learning videos. See you all with another case study question tomorrow.